We were the only campsite on the lake, and we had it all to ourselves. It was a great place to sit back with our coffee and enjoy the moose. Can't either. A little later, another moose showed up. We figured this must be one of their favorite feeding spots. These two continue to put on a show for us. We wondered what it was they were feeding on. It was fun watching this one swim. It was funny watching this one swim by as the other one just stood there. It seems like it must have been standing on higher ground. The moose finally swam away and left the area. Chris and I decided to take the canoe out for a closer look. The fog had cleared off, but it was pretty hard filming from the canoe. It was bouncing all around. But we got a chance to see what the moose was so fond of eating. It was lily pads. It was a fun time moose watching on South Cone Lake. We took a side trip over to Brule Lake and we came across this moose that was eating lily pads.